What if you could instantly copy Cluely's massive marketing strategy within an instant? So today I'm going to show you basically what I have found with copying Cluely's marketing strategy, which is a little bit controversial, but this is the state of marketing at this point. And it's really ugly. It's dirty. This is what marketing is, especially for AI. And I'm going to give you a couple of examples of why that is. And so to start off, basically, there was this article done by Salesforce, by the CEO, and he said that AI was going to automate 50% of tasks within the company. And this was a great sign for me to adjust it a bit to make it controversial and to get more eyes on my brand. Boom, that's exactly what happened. And I got all this attention to it. And if we kind of compared to basically how Coolly works, is that they are a polarizing tech company. So they're going to be using provocative hooks. They're going to be using TikTok and influencers to really push this and be controversial. They're trying to get people to hate on their tech because any attention is good for a brand, regardless if it's positive or negative, right? If people are hating on your product, that hate is going to actually push it to the people that actually want your product, which is a really interesting concept. And if you look for what I did, was I said something really delusional. I said it in a pretty big subreddit, and then I got engagement, a couple of corrections, and now you have a ton of people looking at my profile, checking me out, and seeing my YouTube. So this creates a lot of tension and attention, but now it's time to pivot to truth and earn that trust. So if you kind of just look at their funnel, basically they hook you in with being controversial. Then you actually see the tool, and then they provide value, which is either something for free or just something that's super insightful. And this is basically my strategy. Viral post, correction, 30K views, curiosity, a breakdown on my YouTube video, and then call to action. And then, is this really ethical? I mean, in my perspective, this is just marketing in 2025. People are gonna over exaggerate on a lot of the things. Like, for example, Cluely, with their tool not even being built and them raising like 15 million in capital. That is just crazy, right? To get money for something that isn't even built. And then you have Salesforce, right? Them automating half of their task within a company and using it to really market their brand and product, which is also delusional. And then you have me basically making it seem even more extreme, and because of that, I get a ton of traction, right? You're seeing the pattern here. So this is why I think that it's kind of just a really smart play to just look into Cluely, how they did their marketing, especially for your AI business, because this is how marketing is going to be moving forward. And I'm going to be transparent. I use Cluely for my hook, but it's actually a really great product. And without the hate and all the negativity, I don't think I would be using this unless they actually got eyes on the product. So I hope this video was super insightful. I'm learning this for myself, and it's a really interesting use case for AI just to have it be just hidden within your monitor. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna link to this subreddit so you can just see all the hate comments and just so you can understand this method better. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video.